we tend to have younger students at the program, maybe in their upper teens, lower 20s, so they tend to have a lot of energy. So I try to work in activities that are good for students who are very energetic and maybe like things to move quicker. So this activity that we're doing today is a Jeopardy game, and it's good, I think, for the students that have more energy because it's very fast-paced and it's competitive and they get to work together. So I wouldn't necessarily recommend it for students who like a slower pace.
Okay, we try the word problem.
Word problems for how many points?
You want to go to 400? 400 right.
All right, word problems for 400 points. So, page 117, number 3. Oh, we got 100.
Somebody's talking.
Every team gets to try for it. If their team gets it right, they get the full 400 points. If this team or this team gets it right, they get 200 on this one. And so this is, okay, so guys, you got another group member.
Done.
So check with Carlos too to make sure you agree on the answers.
You get the microphone?
So we just, okay. So you just have to choose how you would solve it.
Shoulders.
Okay, so does your third teammate agree?
Agree. Hey, Carlos. Agree.
Okay, this is thinking.
Yeah,
and this is what I got.
what number?
All right, so we have these two teams got it. So the answer was number 1. So Marie, why was it number 1?
You take away the 89 cents from the 105.
So
I mean the dollar.
Why are you subtracting? Yeah.
Save means subtraction.
Yeah, if they're asking how much you save, you usually subtract.
Yeah.
Take 105 minus 189 times 25.
Good.
Yeah.
So either way, if you think about it, like you were going to do it differently than they did, but either way, you're multiplying and you're subtracting. So if you're not sure, look for things that tell you to multiply and to
really
subtract.
you're subtracting the 89 cents from $1.05, right?
Yeah.
And then you multiply the 89 times 25.
Yeah, the difference.
Yeah.
You got it. All right, word problems for 300. So, okay, page 68, number 15.
68, number 15?
Yep.
This must be easy stuff.
68, number 15.
5 per month. Yeah, okay.
Now, 10, 20 plus 17.
The remaining balance.
Am I
What is the
right?
title cost of the computer?
Let me see.
But if you make it doesn't tell
I
you how
know,
much
you have to
the
check with your roommate, your roommate, your teammate.
it doesn't tell you how much the computer costs.
So what did Brandon, do you agree with Hank or do you disagree?
Oh, I guess.
Agree?
It's
I
720.
already got the answer right here. Not enough.
Yeah, here
Very
it doesn't.
confident about
Yeah.
this.
There you go. That's yours.
I picked no, because it doesn't.
I picked number 5.
Okay, do you agree?
That's wrong.
Okay.
Number 5.
Can we agree on an answer? Not yet? Okay, we have 30 more seconds.
Yeah, you-
No. I got it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10,
5,
20,
10,
30.
30.
Oh, time's up.
Ricky busting the brain.
Makes a down payment of $720.
Oh.
We're talking about $720. He also needs to pay $85 per month. How many months is that?
Are you?
Rich.
Doesn't say that.
Rich.
Doesn't say that. It doesn't
Okay.
tell us the month.
Yeah. We're agreeing? Okay.
5.
So you all got it. So what was the answer?
5.
5. And what, Hank, you were so confident from the beginning. How did you know?
Because it's
I thought it
only
was
2.
that.
It's 2 money. It's not 3.
Oh, okay.
They
The
don't have
money.
any months either.
Did you make it sense?
728, 850. It probably one more amount. That's like not enough information.
No, it's
It's
supposed
not
to show
enough
the months.
information.
Right, we don't know how
We
many
don't know how many
months.
months.
We don't know
yeah.
how much the computer even costs.
You're
Yeah,
right.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, we have to give down payment and a
I mean,
quick
if you
pay.
look
I'm
at
just
it,
trying to hard. I got
If you
that.
do the 12
I mean,
months,
it's
it's 1740,
there,
that's not one of the
why.
answers.
Yeah.
Okay.
look at the problem.
And they
sitting
don't
in
tell
that
us it's a
information.
year.
The answer.
They don't tell us it's a year.
I don't think it's fair that that the teams that also win get half of the points.
How much do you think they should get?
None.
None?
What you
Well,
mean?
we don't get it
points.
right, then we don't get the points. But it doesn't make sense if we don't get it right, they get it right, they get
You gotta
half.
come here and regulate what a line is.
Alright, well, for the next game, we can just, we'll discuss the rules. Alright, next problem. Whose turn is it?
Us. Question mark 300.
Alright,
you
question
pick the
mark
high
for
one.
300.
You piece of scrap paper.
How many seconds
Oh, I got that down quick. I was just gonna say.
are in
18.
3 hours?
3 hours.
So right now,
How many seconds are in 3 hours?
Is it?
Not
Is it
minutes,
this?
how many seconds?
Oh, seconds.
I don't know,
it's
check with your group.
1,800 seconds.
How many seconds are in
okay.
3 hours?
Okay, if there's 60 seconds, then
I'm done.
60 seconds in a minute. In a minute.
The easy.
So oh, not this.
What?
60 times.
What you got? Yeah, check with, make sure.
Yeah.
Equals 3.
Okay.
You should say 12 hours.
600.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Six.
Make sure it's seconds.
Oh, I
Not
got my
minutes,
answer.
Seconds.
Yeah, same
Let me
thing.
see what this.
Times the 3 hours.
So, are there 60 seconds in 180 minutes? Is
Times.
that true?
This is difficult right here.
I know.
I want to get down. This is difficult right here.
Well,
It's different.
so how many seconds are in a minute? Okay. Does your team agree on that?
I'm just asking. I don't know.
That's okay.
He heard it.
That's okay.
That's how you learn.
So what are your
Oh, I get-
Look at 60. No, 60. That makes 60.
Oh, wait.
Good luck.
Another 60.
Record.
Okay.
This is what I got right
What do
here.
you
I
have?
got 5. What did you get?
Okay. How'd you get your answer?
Because 1 minute has 60 seconds.
Mhm.
You do 60 times 60,
Mm-hmm.
which is a minute.
Mm-hmm.
It gives you 300,
3,600.
3600.
Mm-hmm.
And then you times
Right.
that each minute is 60, another 60, another 60. That's 18.
Okay.
So that times 18 you need it.
Okay. Do you guys agree?
No, I agree with mine.
So yours is,
I got 5.
60. Okay, here's how I explain mine. You know, 60 seconds, 60 minutes in an hour. 60 seconds in a minute. 60
Uh-huh.
times 60
It's
gives me 3,600. So I take that 3,600 times 3 hours, and which it gives me to 10800.
okay.
I'm agree with Hector.
Okay. So they have an answer. What do you guys have as an answer? Can you point out your, okay, that's your answer.
Say that again.
You guys are
Oh no,
going,
it's okay.
so, who even guessed this question? Did you guys guess the question?
What?
No,
You
Hector.
picked?
How? Oh, we did.
Yeah,
I
you
did.
picked off the board.
Yeah,
Okay.
This is not fair.
So-
I don't wanna play.
Okay, so people said 60 times 60. So what is this number telling us?
That's only 2
That's how
hours.
many-
That's how many minutes?
Seconds
That's how
in
many
an hour.
Seconds.
You're multiplying
This is
the seconds.
seconds
The seconds by 6.
in an hour.
In an
Yeah.
hour.
Yes.
And how many hours do we want?
3.
3 hours.
3 of them.
So 360 times 3.
Yeah. So when you multiply it, what was the answer we got?
10800.
10,800. So these two teams got it. So it was
We won.
300 and
You sure you didn't hear what I was
Okay.
saying over here?
So
had it before.
we have about 5 minutes left. So we're into our
Damn.
intense round. So if you can add up your points, because for the next question you can bet your points.
Uh-oh.
8.
Oh, you serious?
Well,
I think the class went well. That's pretty much how it usually goes. As I said, this is a activity I do a lot. The main reason I do it is, as you probably saw, the students were actually working together on a lot of the problems, and no matter how many times I say help each other, if we're just doing a worksheet, it's always like, you know, teacher, how do I do this? And so it's really hard to actually get them to help each other. And for some reason, I've found that the most successful way that I can do that for most students is to have them play a game, and then they're actually helping each other and working together on the problems. So I'd say that's the reason I like it the most. So yeah, I mean, that's pretty much how it goes. It's not a teaching time, I don't feel. I mean, sometimes I'll have a student explain a problem, but if the student came into the class not knowing how to solve that problem, they're probably not going to know when they leave, because it's very quick and it's not, you know, a slow practiced explanation. It's very much just a game for review. So from here, we would probably just continue in the curriculum. I think we've been working on fractions recently, which is why that was one of the categories. I'm not sure what we're going to do next, but we'll probably do a completely different subject in the book.